SEC Chairman Jay Clayton says Bitcoin ETF approval is inevitable. Last updated January 8, 2024, 331 EST. 2 Min read disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on WP image 148,794 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2024/1/1,704,745,670 Andre Francois Mackenzie Ajibin /u 300x00 JPG alt equals width equals 882 height equals 588 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2024/1/1,704,745,670 Andre Francois Mackenzie Ajibin /u 300x00 JPG 300 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2024/1/1,704,745,670 Andre Francois Mackenzie Ajibin /u 1024x684 JPG 1924 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2024/1/1,704,745,670 Andre Francois Mackenzie Ajibin /u 768 JPG 768 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2024/1/1,704,745,670 Andre Francois Mackenzie Ajibin /u 19536 JPG 19536 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2024/1/1,704,745,670 Andre Francois Mackenzie Ajibin /u 2048x19368 JPG 2048 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2024/1/1,704,745,670 Andre Francois Mackenzie Ajibin /u 150x100 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 880 TWOX 100 wa 880 TWOX Jay Clayton, former chair of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission SEC, believes it's only a matter of time before a spot Bitcoin ETF is approved. Approval's inevitable. I think approval's inevitable, Clayton shared during an appearance on Squawk Box Monday. I think there's nothing left to decide. Clayton also recognized the Bitcoin market's current robustness, noting that the token's underlying trading market is much better today than it was 5 years ago. The former chair's statements follow a somewhat rocky week for the token's trading value that reversed much of its recent rally. In part, a Matrixport report alleging the SEC would not, in fact, approve a spot Bitcoin ETF could have prompted the drop despite reports stating otherwise. Obviously, this is massively out of consensus, said head of research for Matrixport, Max Thielsen. I do think the SEC will vote it down. The mass dissemination of the report caused Matrixport's co-founder, Jihan Wu, to take to X to quell worried investors. In my opinion, the approval of a spot ETF by the SEC, which will attract fresh investment into Bitcoin, is inevitable, the Matrixport co-founder assured. The final countdown. Clayton's comments come within 48 hours of the SEC's January 10 deadline, which could see the federal agency potentially approve all spot Bitcoin ETF applicants. So far, a number of companies have thrown their hat in the application ring, including Invesco, VanEck, WisdomTree, and more. If approved, a spot Bitcoin ETF could pave the way for greater mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency across the United States. This is a big step not just for Bitcoin but for finance generally, Clayton continued. If you can digitize, tokenize underlying assets, and trade that way, that's a potential significant change across finance, not just in the crypto space. Clayton's words echo the sentiments of Coinbase founder and CEO, Brian Armstrong, who recently stated Bitcoin may be the key to extending Western civilization. I think it will be a natural check and balance that will complement the dollar and be the best defender of long-term American interests and Western civilization more broadly, Armstrong said. Gensler signals approval. Meanwhile, SEC Chair Gary Gensler took to X Monday to warn potential investors of the dangers of investing in crypto, with many social media users taking it as a sign at least one spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved in the coming days. Tell me you're about to approve the hash Bitcoin ETFs without telling me you're about to approve Bitcoin ETFs, wrote one user. Image courtesy of Unsplash. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, A Quick 3-Min. Read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img.